The budget is replete with promises of aggressive revenue collection and prudent management. To my mind, expenditure without revenue is like clapping with one hand, and there is a dire need to show evidence of revenue collection and not just borrowing. I feel that achieving inclusive growth requires a thorough assessment of not only who gets what. We must also look at when and how and the costs.
For inclusive growth and effective management of our resources, vote GNS Pajak for Governor, Plateau State 2015.
This message is sponsored by Coalition of Young Redemption Advocates, SYRA.
Now, what is so bothering for me is the fact that it's gradually appearing in this nation that the death of one man is a tragedy, but the death of 1 million people is mere statistics. And apart from that, we hear about 10, 100, 20, 30. And what I'm worried about is that it appears like a mathematical condensation of wounded images of a life worth living, which means there's nothing emotional about the figures. It's just about 10, 15, 20.
For peace and security, vote GNS Pajak for Governor, Plateau State 2015.
This message is sponsored by Coalition of Young Redemption Advocates, SYRA.
We must also, in this Senate, avoid a fallacy of detachment from the happenings in other parts in these villages. Because we're in the city area, everything seems normal, but in the villages, things are really that bad. And that is the situation that we're faced with in this country. So, unfortunately, however, people often blame poverty, but I see poverty as an effect rather than a cause of this conflict. Because how can people afford AK-47s? How can people have rocket launchers if there are no financiers and ensuring that they are well armed to undertake this whole thing? We cannot afford to have a situation in this country where people are running out of meager resources like water, food, shelter, yet have 4 times as many AK-47s in that order. And this is a challenge that we must face. And it's not a PDP matter. It's not a partisan matter. It is a multi-party situation. And that's why sometimes we refuse to do the needful, because we are assuming that it is something that a party should handle. Yet the conflict is taking place. The person who is at the rural location perhaps might even be a voter of APC, might even be a voter of PDP, and yet that person is being killed.
For peace and security, vote GNS Pajak for Governor, Plateau State 2015.
This message is sponsored by Coalition of Young Redemption Advocates, SYRA.
It is ironic that in this country, the more we spend on security, the more insecure Nigerians become. And that's the situation. Each time we have security chiefs invited here, the only thing they will ask us is try to increase the funds that are available for us to undertake our jobs. And some of us have started asking this question: will this be a materialistically motivated political clash using religion as a camouflage? It's a bit worrisome if this thing continues in this order. But I want to say, distinguished Senate, that if we continue to say, I'm a Christian, I'm a Muslim, I'm Fulani, I'm Hausa or Birong or T, we may never be able to do what it takes to address this problem. We need to ask ourselves, who are the people interested or doing their best to see that we all do not live in peace, and come up with a portfolio of initiatives to counter this. Otherwise, it becomes near impossible. And we cannot allow for the emergence of a cabal of criminals and quasi-criminals take over control while they stay in secure hideouts, wielding greater influence. And in that order, it's creating more challenges for us.
For peace and security, vote GNS Pajak for Governor, Plateau State 2015.
This message is sponsored by Coalition of Young Redemption Advocates, SYRA.